Good afternoon, friends. This is C300. No start condition. The car was not communicating. The car was flooded, and then the cam box was also bad as well. So we just got the car fixed, and the car is now running, as you can see. See, the car is running now. So we're only having a misfiring on the vehicle. That is, a particular cylinder here is misfiring, which is cylinder 2. You can see the cylinder there is having misfiring. So that is why the car, the steaming is not stable, and you can see the RPM fluctuating. It's because of the misfiring. So you see that the misfiring is on the high side on that particular cylinder. So we need to change the spark plug on that cylinder, then the car will be balanced.